Who should go with an HMO? So in health insurance, we talk a lot about PPOs, which is a preferred provider organization, or an HMO, which is a health maintenance organization. Now, PPOs are known for having a larger network, but also their cost will be higher. HMOs have a much smaller cost, but their network is smaller. Well, why would anyone go with an HMO? If you are not traveling, so I'm talking about spending months away. So if you're someone who has a cabin or a second home up north, that might be someone who's a better fit for a PPO. But if you're local, if the care you're getting is local to where you live, an HMO is actually a great option. Premium payments will be much smaller. Your benefits likely will be a little bit larger. And you're not sacrificing who you can see in your area. You're just committing to the insurance company that your care will be local to where you live. If this confused you, you're not alone.